Hello internet computer holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. ICP, absolutely, my friends, the ICP is the one of the best cryptocurrencies in the market. The changes occur in the ICP is positive, but now unfortunately the latest changes occur in the ICP is going negative. Last 1 hour changes is negative 0.9%, my friends. Last 1 hour changes in previous last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the ICP. Internet computer is positive. Last 7 day 1 day changes is positive. Last 1 week changes occur in the ICP is positive, except of these changes occur in the internet computer is negative, my friends. 19 is the market rank of the ICP in the market. Let me show you more about ICP. Oh, absolutely, it's a massive update. Absolutely a huge gains over by the ICP internet computer in the last 1 day, my friend. That is only the last 1 day chart of the ICP, positive 7.81%. The changes occur in the ICP. Absolutely, my friends, ICP make you millionaire. And now the latest price of the ICP is 46.6 USD dollar, my friend. The price is high, but the changes is positive. So absolutely in 1 month, if you hold ICP for 1 month, so absolutely they can going to hit a 55 60 USD dollar in the July month. That's my target for ICP. Maybe they hit a 70 USD dollar. We can't see about the future, my friends. Maybe tomorrow the price take a quick jump. So that's how they can make you millionaire, my friends. Anyways, the price statistic, the price analysis of the ICP internet computer coin is going good. So that's why I really recommend for everyone if you want to invest in ICP. So I think that's a good idea for all of you, my friends. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.